Hi, let's take a look around the one-bedroom club suite that we stayed at Disney's Gran Destino Tower. We stayed here in March of 2022. It's located in Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, which we're panning around right now. It has a nice walking trail along this little lake. And in this building right here, there are several restaurants and a gift shop, and you can easily get to this building inside if it's raining or something like that or too hot through this little area right here that was connected to the tower. Here's the tower from the outside at the entrance, and let's go inside our room. So as we enter inside the room, there's a door off to the right in our room, which I guess is for if you have a connecting room, like a 2-bedroom suite. We did not. We only had a 1-bedroom, so we didn't have access to that area. And then there's a closet here in the foyer with a luggage rack, plenty of hangers to hang up your clothes, and an extra pillow and blanket. As we go into the little living area, well, it's not little at all. It's actually very, very spacious. We have a table and chairs there, which we used several times while we were there. And there's a desk over there with beautiful artwork above it, some chairs, a really large coffee table, and a very generous sized couch with a sofa bed inside it. It was a queen sofa bed, I believe. And as we look out the window, in the distance we see the Tower of Terror. There it is. We've zoomed in really close now. Okay, so let's pan back out, and as you can see here below, there is the parking lot for the Gran Destino Tower. Plenty of parking, really easy to get to your room. And here's where you would come in to the resort if you're staying at the tower. Right there was the gate. And as we pan around the room, you can see that it's very, very spacious. Sorry about that. And the decor in here is really nice, really fitting for it, for the tower. Lots of nods to Salvador Dali here. Here, you can close off the bedroom area with this sliding door, these barn-style doors that are so popular in hotel rooms now. And as we go into the bedroom area, there's another TV in the bedroom area. And here is lots of storage, lots of drawer space. Pretty deep, not really, really deep, but very wide. And here's a Chase lounge with a little table. And if we look out here, we can see Disney's, the Swan Reserve and the Swan and Dolphin and Epcot. So from this area where I'm filming now, where I'm showing you now, we did watch the fireworks from this area, and I got a clip of that, so I'll insert that a little later. So here off to the bed are 2 nightstands, one on either side, with lamps that kind of had a nod to Salvador Dali also with the bells. Here are some USB plugins and some regular plugins on this side, so plenty of plugins, lots of storage, drawer storage, and you gotta love that Disney bed where they elevate it so you can put your suitcases underneath. Just thought of everything here. I love that about the beds there and here in the Disney resorts. So this is a king-size bed. And then if we go over here to the other side, this side has wall plugins, and there's the telephone, and it also has the plugins here on the lamp as well. TV remote, drawer space. Here's your safe. And there are drawer space underneath, as well as shelving all the way up. So much storage. Just a ton of storage. And then here's a floor-length mirror. And it's on the sliding door also, so it would either cover the storage area with the safe area in it, or it covers the closet area that I'm about to show you now, with the hanging area that has the extra pillow and blanket above it. Also has robes in here, some slippers down there in the bottom, a luggage rack. There's also a iron, I believe, on the floor down there below the robes. Here's a list of the dry cleaning as of March 2022 when we were staying there, just to give you a kind of an idea of the prices. And plenty of hanging area there. There's another mirror, another floor length mirror right here, a little bit more decorative, very pretty. And then this leads on into the bathroom. There is a sliding door, like a pocket door there as well to close off the bathroom area. And as you can see, there are like bars around the for handles to help you, like in the toilet area. So I'm not sure if this was actually an accessible room or not, and that's why it was so spacious. I didn't ask for an accessible room, but perhaps it was. But it was such a spacious area. The whole room was very, very spacious. There's plenty of storage underneath the vanity here, and there's extra towels and things there. Let me turn on the light there. Now we've got the light on and we can see the vanity a little bit better. Double vanity, so that's very nice. The mirror is lit also, so that gives you a little bit more lighting around the mirror. Here's some of the amenities that they give you in this room. Some mouthwash. There was aloe vera, I believe, and they had some toothbrushes, I think. And there's also a makeup mirror there. It is the one that's attached to the wall, though. But I believe it was lit, so you can, that's always nice to have one that lights up. And as we go around here is the shower area. It's a really generous size shower, and they did stock it with full-size bottles of shampoo, conditioner, body wash. So that's nice. So you're not trying to deal with those little bitty containers with the conditioner that won't come out of the bottle. Plenty of conditioner there. Very nice shower. And as we go around here, I really like this vanity area. As you can see, there are some plugins there. So if you want to do your hair there, it was a really good area to do that. So while my son and husband were like brushing their teeth and stuff, in the mornings, I could easily, get my hair and stuff ready. Here's the cabinet underneath with the lights on so you can see a little bit better. There was a hair dryer, extra Kleenex, that sort of thing underneath, but lots of spacious storage area there in the bathroom. Here is the thermostat, and as we go out here, I wanted to give you this angle of the living area because you haven't seen this area yet, which is a little like bar area with bar stools. So if someone was didn't have enough room at the table and chairs over there, they could always sit there, or they could sit here anyways to watch TV and have a snack if you have young kids. They always like that. Here's a list of the Cronus Club, which was the club level that is at the Gran Destino Tower. If you want to rewind that and kind of pause it, it did show the times of the offerings at the club level. Here are just some decor that were on the shelves, and here's the tea kettle, but my son has his switch plugged in here right now, so that's what this cord is. We'll come back to this in a minute and I'll unplug that switch. Here's their fridge. My son and my husband grabbed a Diet Coke and some grapes up in the club level, and so much storage over here as well. Some shelves in there if you brought your own food. Like I said, another TV, so there's a total of 3 TVs in this room. Here's the coffee area. It's an espresso maker. Some cookies we grabbed up in the lounge upstairs. Here are the different copies that they have for the Nespresso maker. I will say here's the ice bucket, regular cups, and some more storage. But let's take a look at the coffees. I will say this green one makes a full cup of coffee if that's what you're looking for. It was really tasty. I did try that and it was really good. If we go over here, then we have an extra half bathroom in this room. Here's a picture by Salvador Dali, really pretty picture. I really appreciate this extra half bathroom, and I know my daughter did too. So she kind of just took over this little half bathroom, and this is where she would get ready at night for bed and get ready in the mornings. Plenty of storage underneath the vanity there, open storage. It was really convenient. She just had to use our bathroom for getting her shower in. So it was great. We loved this room. I would definitely stay here again. I just thought it was great. Here's that tea kettle. It does have the temperatures for all, like white tea, green tea, and oolong tea, coffee, all of that. I thought it was a really cool little tea kettle. And then there's more storage on this area. Let's go back around and look inside these drawers. This one's empty. The next one has some paper cups and plastic cups for if you want to take your coffee to go. We've got some regular coffee mugs, some plates, and then in this last drawer are some silverware and napkins. Underneath, there's your trash can. Has both recycle and regular trash there. More storage. And more storage. So as you can see, there's endless supply of storage, it seems like, in this room, which is great. Let's grab a mug, and I am going to make some tea with this tea kettle. Now, I did want to show you this in the bedroom. I forgot to show you this a minute ago. The wallpaper or wall covering in the bedroom by the lamp had little Mickeys in it. Isn't that so cute? So we use this table and chairs. One morning I used it for breakfast. My husband grabbed some stuff for me from the lounge, and I ate there. We use it for playing cards at night. Here's some close-ups of some other aspects of the room, just like of the bedroom and the bathroom. That little area. And here's a picture of the tower itself. I really do think it's a pretty building. Water feature right outside the hotel. Oh, and here they were offering some marshmallows, or you could roast marshmallows or buy s'mores at the dig site, which is located in the Coronado Springs area of the resort. It's a really short walk just across a little tiny bridge, not far at all. Right outside of the tower, though, right there at the tower are giant chess and checkers. So fun for kids and adults too. I had fun. My son and I played, and my husband. I don't think my daughter played, but she would have if she was out there, I guess. And here is a little video of the tower. Nice seating area. Here's a nighttime view of us driving up to the Coronado Springs and into the Gran Destino Tower. It's really pretty lit up at night. And there's the gate. And here, I had mentioned earlier about us watching the fireworks from the room, the Epcot fireworks. And so this is from the room. Just a little shot of that. We had a great time. Oh, and then they did offer a scavenger hunt. You just go down to the lobby, and my son and I did this and asked for the scavenger hunt. I think they have 2 different ones that you can do. It's a really good idea to do this just to kind of get to know the resort. It was really fun, and they gave you that little button at the end. Lots of offerings while we were there. This is while we were there in March. I'm sure it might change at different times of the year. But I did really want to see that, do that Spanish mosaic art of the Mickey, but we didn't get a chance to do that, unfortunately. Maybe next time. And here's a list of restaurants and things on this other one. If you want to pause this, you can take a look at the resort itself. This is an overview of the whole Coronado Springs Resort. And if you look over to the right-hand side towards the bottom, it shows you where the Gran Destino Tower is located. Like I said, there's a walking trail around this lake, let's say, area. It was really nice. I went around that a few times. This is located in the club room, the lounge area. These are some of the offerings that they had while we were there. Of course, this is like breakfast time right now. Muffins, avocado toast. Everything was quite tasty. And then this is in the evening. They had like salads. They also had a little kid-friendly area as well with noodles and things. And then this is the evening offering. Sorry, I'd already taken a bite out of this one. It was really tasty. It was a key lime tart that night. They also always had fruit. And also they always had some sort of chocolate mousse. It varied each night, but it was always tasty. Couscous sometimes and veggies. And then they always had the coffee readily available. With the coffee machine over there, which was really, really nice. We loved this resort. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day wherever you are.